Do you know when to use deal with versus handle in English? I'm going to show you the real difference between deal with and handle, when they can be interchangeable, and you'll practice with real life examples. Here's the simplest way to understand it. Deal with is to face or manage a situation. Handle is to control or manage something well. Both talk about managing something, but the focus is different. Now, handle means to manage something successfully, to be capable of controlling a situation, or to show competence. It sounds more confident, professional, and more solution-focused. When you say handle, you imply, I can manage this. Let's look at some real-life examples in everyday life. We could say, don't worry, I can handle it. Or, she knows how to handle pressure. He handled the meeting very well. I'll handle the client call. She can handle multiple projects at once. This focuses on ability, not stress. Deal with, on the other hand, means to face a problem, to manage something difficult, or to take action on a situation. It's very important to note that the situation is often stressful. It can be emotional, and it's often ongoing. You're not saying how well you manage it, just that you are facing it. Common things that we deal with are stress, problems, people, emotions, and difficult situations. Now let's do some side-by-side comparisons. We're going to compare the same situation. First, we could say, I'm dealing with a problem. This could be neutral, ongoing, and possibly stressful. But if we say, I'm handling the problem, it sounds confident, controlled, and solution-focused. Let's look at another one. She's dealing with difficult customers. This means the job is stressful. But if we say she handles difficult customers well, this means she's good at it. It's the same situation, different feeling. Remember, use deal with when the situation is emotional, the problem is stressful, or you want to focus on the struggle. Whereas use handle when you want to show confidence, you want to show skill or control, or you want to sound professional. If you remember one thing, remember this. Deal with means to face it, whereas handle means to control it.